Algorithmic trading is a method of buying and selling assets using computer programs. These programs automatically execute trades based on predefined rules and strategies. This eliminates emotional decisions in trading. Instead, it relies on logic and data analysis. Traders use algorithms for many reasons. Speed is a major advantage. Algorithms can analyze data and execute trades much faster than humans. This is crucial in fast-moving markets. Another advantage is accuracy. Algorithms reduce human error because they follow predefined rules consistently. Algorithmic trading also helps manage risk. By setting specific parameters, traders can limit potential losses. This systematic approach brings discipline and consistency to trading activities. Overall, algorithmic trading offers significant advantages. It allows for more efficient, objective, and controlled trading compared to traditional methods. As technology evolves, algorithmic trading continues to grow in popularity among both retail and institutional traders. Moving averages are key in technical analysis. They smooth out price data to identify trends. The Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, is a type of moving average. What sets the EMA apart is its calculation. Unlike a simple moving average, or SMA, that gives equal weight to all data points, the EMA emphasizes recent prices. This makes it more sensitive to current market movements and price fluctuations. Traders use EMAs to identify trends, potential support and resistance levels, and trading signals. By assigning greater importance to recent data, the EMA provides a more timely and responsive view of the market compared to the SMA. The EMA's focus on recent price changes is valuable in volatile markets. It helps traders react quickly to shifts in momentum. This characteristic makes it a popular choice for short-term traders and scalpers who need to make swift decisions. The EMA crossover strategy is a popular trading technique. It uses two EMAs with different timeframes. A faster EMA reacts quickly to price changes. A slower EMA shows longer-term trends. The strategy generates signals when these two EMAs cross. A buy signal occurs when the faster EMA crosses above the slower EMA. This suggests a potential uptrend. Conversely, a sell signal happens when the faster EMA crosses below the slower EMA, indicating a possible downtrend. For example, a trader might use a 10-day EMA and a 20-day EMA. When the 10-day EMA crosses above the 20-day EMA, it signals a buy. When the 10-day EMA crosses below the 20-day EMA, it signals a sell. Traders often combine this strategy with other indicators and risk management techniques. This helps confirm signals and manage potential losses. The EMA crossover strategy is popular for its simplicity and clear signals. It's easy to understand, even for beginners. The visual nature of the crossover on charts makes it easy to interpret. However, like all trading strategies, it has risks. The strategy can generate false signals, especially in sideways or choppy markets. It's crucial to use stop-loss orders to manage potential losses. Another risk is lagging. EMAs are based on past data. This means they may not always accurately predict future price movements. It's important to use other indicators and analysis to confirm signals. Despite these risks, the EMA crossover strategy remains a valuable tool for traders. When used correctly and in conjunction with other techniques, it can help identify trends and potential trading opportunities.